This is the YesWelder FLUX-135-PRO, and YesWelder did send this to me for the purpose of doing some videos and reviews at no charge. But this is quickly becoming one of my favorite flux core machines that I have owned, and I have owned several of them. And the reason for that is it's just a nice small form factor. It looks great. Black is always great when it comes to welders because it doesn't show dirt and slag and things like that. You do get your wire-fed flux core lead here. This is 8 feet long, which makes this longer than most other flux core machines out there, which is super handy to have. In the box, you're also going to get a stick electrode holder, so you can stick weld with this as well. And of course, you get your ground clamp, which is a given, but you're also going to get a couple contact tips for the flux core torch there. Now, this machine is 110 only, so you cannot run this on 220, which isn't a big deal for a machine like this. But overall performance has been great. I've used this on a couple like emergency or on the spot sort of jobs around the house here, and it's performed excellent. The screen is nice and bright. You've got just a few buttons and a knob on here for all of your settings and menus, and it's very intuitive and easy to use. It does have a few advanced features like hot start and arc force for stick welding. You also have a voltage offset option for flux core to fine tune things. And then there's a button to select your wire size. So this will do 0.030 and 0.035 wire. The feed wheel inside is reversible to accommodate those two sizes. So overall, very impressed with this machine, like I said, and it has done everything that I have wanted to do with a machine like this. Just keep in mind you're at 135 amps, which is a good range to be in for a 110 machine. You're not going to get much more than that out of a 110 outlet. But, you know, as long as you're using it within its limits, it's going to be a fantastic welder for you. Definitely check this out and consider this machine if you are looking for a flux core welder.